Microphone check, phones off. Woo! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I feel like I always sing this song because I take so much time away from you guys. I do apologize. So today we are going to be doing what's called an Instagram baddie look. I got this idea from the Melanin Beauties Unite page. One of the girls that runs the page says that this is the challenge of the week. Hopefully I can get this video up within the same week. I need to hydrate my lips. Hold on. Sorry, I just felt like my lips weren't hydrated enough to be in you guys' presence. Today we are going to be doing what's called an Instagram baddie look. And so let's just go ahead and get started. It's been such a long time, I know, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. You guys know I don't really have much of an introduction. Pause. Before I continue, I need you to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell just so you know when I upload, because obviously, you know, it takes time for me to come back to you guys. So yeah, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that way you do not miss any of my uploads. Thank you. Moving on. Anywho, we are going to be starting off with the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. So something you guys have probably seen me do in my Instagram short videos is you've probably seen powder on my face. I do like to set my primer with a bit of powder. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I am going to apologize now because I'm going to be playing around with, you know, my lighting and stuff. Just because, you know, my quality is very important to me. I am going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color orange to correct. And be very light-handed with this, you guys, because Lord knows it's a lot. No need to waste the brush. And so now I'm going to be going in with the Nars Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know this is like my favorite foundation. I try to switch it up for you guys, but realistically, this is what I would pull on my day-to-day look. I'm just going in with this NYX brush. Oh my God, do you know what I forgot to do? I do this every time I sit down to do my makeup and I forgot my freaking beauty blender. When am I gonna get it together? Oh, I might have used too much foundation too. I look like somebody else. I don't know why I look so yellow on camera. Oh my goodness. I don't look like this in person. I promise you, I don't. But I look very yellow on camera right now. I'm looking at myself and I'm looking at myself. But I don't look yellow up there. So hopefully this comes out right. We're gonna have to say a prayer. All right, moving on to concealer. Anyway, we are going to be using the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 385. Just going to, what was that? It's just an illusion, guys. I'm really not here. I'm really not filming. I'm at the gym squatting and doing crunches for my summer 2019 body. And I like to let my concealer sit for a little bit, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Black Opal foundation stick in the color Suede Mocha. You know what I've been seeing? I want to try this technique. I've been seeing people do this, like this little jawline creation. So we're gonna try it today. I'm feeling adventurous. All right, I think the concealer is ready to blend. Okay, I usually start here. Boom. Chin, check. Forehead, check. Stop playing with my life right now. Then I go on to blend my contour because I like this part of my concealer to sit the longest. I'm gonna go back with the foundation brush. This is just the way I do it. Like, I know you see everybody else do it, but this is just the way I do it. So don't come for me talking about that ain't how you do it. So whether you want to adopt my practices or not, it's up to you. View at your own discretion, please. Now I'm just gonna go in and gently blend out, not completely, gently, and I'm just gonna marry everything together. What powder should I use? Y'all know I've become a huge setting powder snob. I got quite the collection. So I thought it would be very fitting to go ahead and try the Hourglass Veil setting powder that I mentioned in my last video 50 months ago. Pat her in, set her down. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. You guys already know I use, or maybe you don't know if this is your first time here. You know what? If this is your first time here, you might as well just go ahead and subscribe. Like, just go ahead and subscribe like right now. That way you'll be like family the next time you come back. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera. I do have a video somewhere down there with a brow tutorial, but I've done my brows 1,000 times on camera, so I'm going to go ahead and film them off camera and I'll be back. So I'm going to go ahead, this is the concealer that I used on my face and under my brows. This is still the Fenty 385 because I'm not doing anything really bright, so there's no need for P. Louise. Stop doing that. We are just going to use our concealer and just create that blank canvas, skin tone canvas, brown skin let me I'm going to use my bronzer. This is the Benefit Hoola Toasted bronzer, and I'm going to use that as my backdrop color transition tone. I don't know if it's much of a transition tone, but it's going to be the first color I put on my eyes. Back to my regular mirror. So, fun fact, I use 2 mirrors to do my makeup. One is a extremely magnified mirror and another one is just a regular. So it doesn't cover the mirror completely. So I'm able to go look at both so I don't look crazy, you know, up close and then far away, you know? You feel me? Yes, no, yeah, okay. Anywho, so now I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz. It's gonna go ahead and use my finger here. All right, see there? It's so pigmented when you use your fingers. So literally just take what you have and spread it out. You really don't need to dip back into your, but I'll use a brush just to clean up the way this looks. I don't want it to be so opaque. I want my eyelids to look wet. You know what I mean? Like so. And I'm gonna take a brush and just blend out any lines because I just want this to kind of just be on my eyelid in no particular form. I just want it to look very free on my eyelid. So then my eyelids look wet. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and clean up our face. I'm going to start by pressing my setting powder in. You guys know how I feel about this technique. Press, 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 press. Now we're going to go ahead and use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan. Set our entire face. And I don't know what this motion is called. Just watch what I'm doing. Just do what I do. Okay? Do what I do. That's it. This is called securing the face. Okay? It ain't going nowhere. I mean, I'm looking okay or whatever. To our bronzer. The Hulu bronzer. We are going to use this. This is actually a blush brush by Buxom that I use for contour, and it might be a little big, but that's because I like to use, in my everyday look, I like to use a little bit of my bronzer as my blush. Talk about the placement. Take yourself to Miami with the bronzer, you know. I'm using the MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter, my Old Faithful here. Yeah, this is what everyday highlight looks like. Please, just a little. I might have to turn my lights down so you guys can really see this. All right. Yes, let's get back to the highlighting. We are not finished. No. So if you have made it this far in the video, I have totally saved the best for last. I am going to be applying a nude. This nude happens to be from my collaboration with JOGIAx. Yes, I'm going to be using the shade New Day. Honestly, I am not just saying this because my name is on it. Like, literally, this is, like, if you guys see me in a nude, this is probably what I'm wearing. So I'm going to show you a way to apply this color and feel fierce and fabulous. So what I'm going to do is shade in my lip with a brown lip pencil. It can be any brown. This brown just so happens to be Espresso by NYX. It's very short. Don't judge me. And let me just say this, before you apply these lip colors, make sure that you have removed all the dead skin off of your lips. You can do so by using a lip scrub to gently remove it, or some type of an exfoliant to remove the dead skin off your lips, and make sure they are smooth, and apply some type of lip balm. You saw earlier in the video that I applied a lip balm, so my lips have been moisturized and conditioned prior to me applying, because this is a liquid matte lip shade, and so you want to make sure that it looks beautiful. It's only going to look beautiful if the foundation is beautiful. So, and here's how you apply liquid lipstick, you guys. Don't say I didn't teach y'all, okay? Don't say. So what I like to do is just apply to the bottom and distribute. You don't need to swipe top and bottom. A little goes a long way. Here is my swipe. Right? Press and literally keep going till it's blended. So pretty. So pretty. And then I go back, and what I overdraw my lips. So this, you can skip this step. You can totally stop right and be done, or you can apply a gloss over it, but I'm extra, so I like my lips to be extra. Okay, so if you're extra like me, just, I can't talk during this part, just watch what I'm doing. And see how that's just, oof, just full. So there it is in its matte finish. These hold up very well under gloss, you guys. Like, honestly, this is one of my favorite things about these lip colors, is because they look great matte, but then they also, and this is just a random, like I said, I don't even remember where I got this, to be honest. Oh my god, look at this. Look, baby. Who gonna check me? Who gonna tell me I ain't cute? Now we are going to go ahead and set our face with our Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Voila, we have our Instagram baddie look. Come on. All right, you guys, here is the finished look. Ooh. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. And if you would like to get this lip shade, I'm going to leave the link down below. Y'all, this is just simply can't tell a girl like me anything. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support always, and until next time,